Hi everyone, so from now on we will start drawing on a software AutoCAD. So in this video lesson we will start drawing samples from PDF file, drawing like double X. So as you can see there's like 4 samples. We will start from drawing number 1. So if you have 2 monitors, you can use one of them to draw, one of them to check it out the document, or if you have only one monitor, you can use our little trick. So let me show this again. So first of all we will open the document and we will see the dimensions. As you can see, here is the biggest dimension is like maybe 70, so that's why we will put some using a line tool like 100 degrees or 100 millimeter line like this, and then we will put this line to right side of our workspace like this, and then we will open the folder with a file, and then we will drop the file to our workspace, left side of our workspace. So we need to enter page number. It will be number 1, starting off the PDF file, and then scale of the file. Let me put like this, and then one more enter. Yeah, as you can see, here is our file. You can check it out, the file from here, and you can draw here. So if you have like the view of this detail is normal, you can use like this. If you don't, if it's not suitable for you, you can just change the properties by double clicking this line, and you can change the scale from here. Let me put it like 40 maybe, for example, and I can close that, and then I will start drawing. So first of all, as you can see, here is the big, we can imagine that here is a big circle with diameter, no, radius like 50, like this, and then in the middle of this circle there's a polygon maybe, this kind of figure with like 6 sides. We will draw it one by one. Let's start. First of all, let's draw circle with radius 50. Done. And then inside of this circle we will draw this polygon. First of all, we will annotate it, like we will put center mark in our circle, and then using this tool, polygon, we will choose this tool, and then from center of our circle we will start drawing this one. First of all, we need to enter number of sides. So in this case, sides of this figure is like 6, so we need to put them like 6. I will press enter. Done. And then we will specify the enter of our figure, so I will specify, and then it asks like 2 options: inscribed in a circle or circumscribed about circle. I think in our case it will be the second one. I will choose this one, and then as you can see, I'm building this one, and I need to, how can I say, input here like dimension, size of one side, like this. As you can see here, it's like from one side to another side, the size is like 60 millimeters. It's difficult to see here, but if you want to see document, you can see it. So now here it asks the size of only like from center to one side. So in this case I need to put here like 30. Let me put it. Done. Because as you can see, it's finished. So first of all, I will go to right side of our drawing, this one. As you can see, here is the like this center of this square situated in 70 millimeters far from our like big center, like in horizontal side. From vertical side it's like 40 millimeters. So let me draw it. In this case I will use line first, and then I will press like control key and right side of our mouse, and then I will choose temporary track point like this, and then I will choose center of this circle, and then I will go right. In this case I need to put 70 millimeters to right. From this place I need to build a line with like 40 millimeters. Done. The tip of this line will be center of this like square. So first of all I want to draw here like small circle with a radius 10. As you can see, the sides of this square is like 20. If I put here the circle with a radius 10 like this, I can build here square with the one side is 20. So first of all let me put center mark. I'm using command line to choose the tool center mark, as you can see. So done. From here I don't need this line, extra line. I use it to construct, to find center of this circle, so that's why I will delete it. And then using the line tool again, I will draw this kind of stuff. I'm using ortho mode, so that's why it's you cannot see like how to, it's not easy to rotate the line. I'm turning off ortho mode with like F8 button, so I can freely move my line and I can choose the angle of this line. So I will build this kind of stuff, as you can see. Done. And then I will choose like 4 sides of this square, and then I will choose the command, the tool rotation, and then choosing the center of rotation I will input angle of rotation. In my case I think it will be 45. Done. As you can see, it's finished. So I can delete this circle, and I will go to, no, I think it's little bit early to delete it. No, we can delete, I think, yeah. So here I need to draw like another circle with radius like 25 millimeters. Let me do it. 25 millimeters. Done. So, and then I need to connect the big circle with small circle. I will do it later after building this small circle left side of our detail. So in this case also I will use line tool first, using our trick temporary track point. I hope you know how to do it. I will choose center of this big circle. I will go left for 50 millimeters, and then I need to go down using auto mode. Here is, let me, 60 millimeters. I need to go down 60 millimeters. Done. The bottom side of this line will be center of these circles. So let us put it, so the diameter of small circle is 20, the radius of the bigger one is 25. So diameter, if diameter is 20, so radius will be 10, the bigger one is 25 radius. Yeah, as you can see, it's finished. We can delete this line, and then we can put center mark. Yeah, here. Done. So now it's time to connect our circles. I will use line first. Then I will connect the upside of our detail what can I do is I will choose this point and then turning off auto mode, and then I need to choose this point, which is how can I say, pointed with like green circle. It means this is point of like tangent mode. Done. And then I need to select this line and then move this side of the line until tangent point of this circle, this point. Done. As you can see, this like line and this circle connected smoothly, and then this side also. Okay, so I will do this trick in the bottom side of my detail like this. I need to go to this point. Done. And then I will choose this point. Then done. And then here you can see this is this radius of this like curved line. It's like 40. You can check here also. It's hard to 40. So you can see the tool, like fillet tool, and then in command line we can choose radius, and then we will put radius 40 millimeters. Yeah, and then we need to select the necessary points like this. Done. As you can see, we finished. And then upside of our detail we will do the same thing, but with like radius 50 millimeters. Radius 50 millimeters. 1, 2. Done. As you can see, it's easy. So I think we need a mistake here. As you can see, the size of square is not good. It's not enough. You can see it's like 40 millimeters, more than 40 millimeters. My idea wasn't correct, so we will correct them. First of all, let me use trim tool, and then I need to delete like unnecessary lines like this. Pay attention to delete all unnecessary lines. So what can I do here? I will delete the mistaken lines, and then what I want to do is just I will build a line with like 10 millimeters to left side horizontal, and I will choose the line, and then I will increase it to right side to 10 millimeters. Done. So what can I do is I will choose this line again using copy tool here. I will choose the center of this line, and then I need to put it 10 millimeters up, 10 millimeters. Done. As you can see, I did it, and then I need to move it 10 millimeters down. Yeah, as you can see, it's down. So we don't need this line. I can choose delete. So I can choose these lines and then rotate it with copying, and then it will be square. Or the easiest one is just choosing the tool rectangle. We will build a rectangle here, choosing this point and then going down this point. Done. It's easier than copying these, all the stuff. Yeah, as you can see, it's finished. So we will pay attention to another like small points. I think we finished drawing our detail. So as I said, pay attention to this kind of stuff. Yeah, there's only one thing to do, to decorate it with dimensions and necessary lines. So I hope you can do it. So thank you for your attention.